Good YouTube, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to check out Cardano. Is it going to tackle $1 all over again? Vasil hard fork is creating a lot of FOMO and traders are really speculating that the price is going to surge because of this. So far we're trading at $0.65. We can see we rank 6 already on coin market cap. So we are slowly sailing our way back to that $1 price level. Will it be just psychological? Is it just a mist of euphoria? Or are we going to pass through that $1 and actually hold the line this time? Let's have a little look. So Cardano ready for a go at $1. June's hard fork FOMO lifts the ADA price to weekly highs. So we can see, pretty interesting, Vasil hard fork FOMO. The so-called hard fork event will tentatively take place on June 29, 2022, just around the corner. As a result of the euphoria surrounding the upgrade, traders have started to speculate more on ADA's prospects, resulting in better performance, protocol upgrade, more throughput, interoperability, efficiency, so on and so on. So thanks to the excitement surrounding its upcoming Vasil hard fork, ADA has surged over 20% to become one of the best performing cryptocurrencies of the week. And what is quite interesting, actually, we had the previous Alonzo upgrade as well as the Mary upgrade. We can look at this image right here. I don't know how well you can see it, but this is the Mary upgrade. We saw a bit of continuation. This was the Alonzo announcement in July, and we saw a big surge all the way up to this particular area. So are we seeing the same thing? Are we just going to get sort of the buy the news sort of thing, you know, where everyone is just selling the hype afterwards? So you can see this is where the news was announced, pump to the upside, news announced here. We're slowly getting that pump. Maybe we could come back to $1 price level. Let's take a little look. So we've been looking at Cardano, this particular symmetrical triangle right here. Been saying there's lots of volatility. We did lose our bull flag over here on the 6th of June, but we got hit by this resistance level at 0.64. Now we've actually broken through the resistance. We bounced off it as support a few times. Looks really good. And we put through some massive hourly candles here on Cardano. So we're getting a lot of volume come through. If we have a look at our volume, big juicy volume coming through on the hourly time frame. And even on the full hourly, things are looking pretty juicy right now. So we're really nicely above that 20-day moving average. And it's just green after green after green candles. Looking at 30-minute time frame, you know, it's not really a particular pattern. This was a nice symmetrical triangle right here, as you can see. But what I do expect is going to happen is maybe we just get a small pullback, maybe back down to that 20-day moving average, or even back down to the 0.65 level just to chill off, 0.64 as well. But I do anticipate seeing some continuation to the upside to around the $0.67 mark. One thing I would consider and take note of though on the bearish side is these wicks are quite big, so there's lots of selling pressure at these particular price ranges here. So maybe this is actually going to also be a rollover effect instead, and we sort of trade back down to this support over here on the 0.62 time frame. So really it's hard to truly say what's going to happen. Let's have a look if there's any bearish divergences. Can't actually see any right now. What I did notice before was this big euphoric 88 RSI 4-hour time frame. We lost it here. We had overbought. We lost it again. Right now the price is actually higher, but we're not overbought. We're seeing the price come up and the RSI come down. Okay, so there is a bearish divergence. We've just found it. This is the bearish divergence here, and here's the RSI putting through a lower high. Basically, yeah, lower high. So be careful. There is a bearish divergence here, guys, actually. So I'm going to say be careful. This is extremely risky trading right now because of that bearish divergence. Not saying it can't pump anymore. It certainly can. Cryptocurrency is crazy. But when we see these bearish divergences, we do need to keep a little look at what's going on. On daily time frame, it's not actually there. So the bigger the time frame, the more accurate and impacting the divergence is. But this is a one big fat daily candle. So let's see, can we put through another daily candle for Cardano? Can we reach $0.7 over the next few days? I'd love it if we could come back up to this resistance of 0.77. And I'd also love it if we can see Cardano come to this horizontal or diagonal resistance. The price target that I'm hoping for over the next few days is to trade in this kind of channel up top, then target the 0.77 and then break out to the upside. That's what I really speculate is going to happen on the bullish scenario. Bearish scenario, we get rejected and we just come back down, tumble to the 0.5 mark if the rest of the market decides to do a bit of a dirty dumpage. So crypto bubbles today, what's going on? We can see Bitcoin on the weekly market cap is down 3.1%. Ethereum is down 6.5%. So we're losing a bit of support levels. We're back into the $30,000 zone. ETH is back into the $1,800 zone. Hopefully we can get some volume and juicy news pump the market a little bit, but right now we are in a crypto winter, a long-term potential downtrend. We've got too many macroeconomical factors that are just suppressing the market. We've already felt the extreme euphoria and greed, so it's going to take some time to feel all of that all over again. Fear and greed index, let's have a little look. Sitting at 17 at the moment, so we're just bouncing out of that extreme fear. Maybe we're going to go back to just a fearful scenario and even a neutral market over the next few weeks or months, but I don't think we'll be experiencing any extreme greed anytime soon. Guys, just want to say thank you for subscribing. All you new guys, amazing. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. I will be sticking around through the bear markets, surf through the tumultuous waves of crypto together. Make sure you stay crypto safe. Hit that notification bell to become part of the notification nation. Also, hop into the telegrams down in the description below so you don't miss out on the most vital cryptocurrency news today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.